Welcome to Gigi's Kitchen.
Y'all, welcome. I'm Rhonda, and this is our little guest for today. This is, who are you?
Montgomery Jet Oven.
That's right, Montgomery Jeb. And how old are you, baby?
4.
He's 4. And y'all, we call this little one Momo, or his name is Montgomery, but we call him Momo or Little Mo. And I've always said he is my favorite birthday present ever. This one came up via emergency C-section the night before my birthday. So he was my birthday present, wasn't you, darling? Yes, he was. And he was always, he was born, he was a little fella. And he's still just a little bit smaller than the rest of them. But, honey, that does not stop him at all, does it? You are a big boy. He gets it done. He's a little worker, too. And he is our 4th grandson and our 5th grandchild. So, this is my little Momo. So, me and Momo, we are going to make, what are we going to make today?
I don't know.
Some peanut butter balls. We talked about this.
They're going to make something good.
Yes,
ain't
we're
that right?
doing, ain't we, darling?
It's going to be something good.
Yes, he has not been feeling good. We all kind of under the weather, but he's ready to go tonight, ain't you, baby?
Yeah.
Yes. So, now, little Momo, he has crumbled up some cookies, y'all. If you're looking for a little fairly cheap little goodie to make, I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. The chocolate chip jumped off, didn't it? $1.25. These are the Nutter Butter, the generic Nutter Butters. And I did use about...
Right there.
You did what? You can have it. You can taste it. There you go. We got to make sure everything's good, right? But anyway, only thing we have is just 3 ingredients. It's kind of like the Oreo balls that he did with his, or that we did with his big sister Mabry. And we're just going to take this cookie, Nutter Butters. We got them all ground up. Momo did it all by himself. And we're just going to mix a block of cream cheese. So we got Nutter Butter, cream cheese, and we got some melting chocolate because we can roll it in and it's going to be delicious, ain't it, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start with our little bowl. He's on a little stool, but we trying to look here. Let's see. I think that'll be enough. The recipe calls for like 36 cookies. I might as well just put all that in there, huh?
Yeah.
36 cookies. All right, Momo, we gonna dump this in here. You wanna do it?
You got it there, little man.
Dump it here. Just do it like this.
There
we
you go.
go.
Good job.
Good job. You want something to wipe your hand? Just wipe it on your apron. Gigi will wash it. How about that?
That's
All
what
right.
it's for, Bubba.
That's what it's for. We're gonna mix this up. Okay, you ready? Hold it. Get a hold of it. Let Gigi turn it on high. We're gonna get it mixed up. Woo! Good job. Here, he's getting in it, Papa. He's getting it.
Yeah.
All righty. That looks good.
Good job.
Good job. I did forget to get my pan, so let me get my little pan. All right, Mo, what we gonna do?
Scoop it up.
Scoop it up, and then what we gonna do?
Remembering that.
You remembering? He says, I'm remembering now. We're going to make little balls, ain't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Gigi's going to scoop it. How about this? Gigi's going to do it like this. I'm going to show you how to do one. Then you can do it. We're just going to roll it. We got clean hands, y'all. You want to roll it? Roll it around. Oh, look at
Man,
Mo
look at you go, buddy. Good job.
Look at there. Good
You're
job.
hired.
Yes.
You
put it
are
right
hired,
there.
man.
He's getting it, I'm telling you. There's another one. Ready? All right. Tell us, Mo, what's your favorite color?
Orange and blue and yellow and red.
He's got a lot of
Man, he got
Green.
and
green. Man, you got a lot of color.
Listen, we can't go wrong with
And gold.
anything. And gold.
And gold. Don't forget gold.
Don't forget gold, honey, right?
Yeah.
He's got a lot of favorite colors, don't you? What do you like to do? What are some things you like to do?
Play with my monster truck.
Play with it. This
That's
boy,
his favorite thing to do, buddy.
this child loves a monster truck, don't you, baby?
Yeah.
He had a monster truck birthday party theme. Here you go. There's another one. And what else you like to do?
Play with Bubba and May.
Oh, play with his brother and May. Now, he is the third child of my oldest is Mabry, and then Miles was the second. So he is number 3.
4.
You number 3, but you are 4, right? Yep. He's our 5th grandbaby. There you go. And I hope y'all have enjoyed this. I tell you what, we have really enjoyed just getting them one-on-one and having this little special time, making a few memories. Ain't that right, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They love being in the kitchen with their GiGi, don't you, Momo?
He does. He's one of the first ones, honey. He'll run go get his little stool right here in a minute. He wants to help me stir and do, and he is just a little blessing. All of them are, I'm telling you. I am a blessed old lady. And I hope y'all have enjoyed this, though. I really do.
I know down.
Yes. They love seeing their little comments. So all of y'all that's been commenting
Yeah,
and
we
loving
appreciate
all
every
them,
one of you, yes.
it's just, I'm telling you, they loving it. They just are grinning when you read them the comments. They just think that's the best thing. These are making a lot, y'all.
It makes them feel special.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. And I hope one day they can look back at this and remember their little time in the kitchen with GiGi. Ain't that right, darling? Uh-huh.
I do it this way.
You just do whatever way you
That's
want to
right.
do them, honey.
Yeah.
These are yours, ain't they?
I let Mommy and Bubba try them.
You go let
Oh,
that.
yeah, he's going to share with his brother
Yeah,
and
because
sister.
what is Sharon? Sharon is what?
Helen.
Sharon is Karen. That's right. That's what we tell them all the time. I know y'all seen Little River shout that out. We say that all the time. Come on now, Sharon is Karen. There you go. I would have to say all 4.
Way.
All 4 of our grandsons, like I said, we have 2 5-year-olds and 2 4-year-olds. And they get along so good. I'm telling you what, they play together. Normally when I get one, where'd you go?
I just fall.
You fell, don't fall. Normally when I get one, I get them all. So,
We have a house full.
We do. We have a house full. And normally when we're making treats, there's little hands everywhere and it's chaos. So this is what's been nice. Just one of them at the time. We are almost to the end of the barrel.
I'm not going up this time.
You not? Okay, well, you just do them how you feel, okay? Just do what you're feeling, right? There you go. You're doing a wonderful job.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what we're going to do, we're going to let these little peanut butter balls, these little truffles as they call them, we're going to just let them get real cold in the freezer for just a little bit, because then what we going to do with all that chocolate? What we going to do with them? What we going to do? We going to dunk them in there, ain't we?
Yeah.
We going to give them a little chocolate bath, right?
Chocolate makes everything better.
Ooh, yes,
Ooh-wee.
Lord. So we got these. Look. Look, it's in the shape. Look, it's in the shape of a 9.
Nah.
Yes. I had to do this. I was like,
I'm going to do that.
All right, y'all. We are
I'll
going to
do a 9.
a 9.
Yeah.
He is also in school. Tell him what grade you're in.
4-day.
4K.
4K, yeah.
He is, and he's doing good.
Yeah, he's been the student of the month.
He has. I'm so proud of him.
Star student of the month.
Yes, sir. You were, weren't you, baby? You've been
Yep.
doing good. So we're going to let these cool off just a little minute, and then we're going to start melting this chocolate so we can dunk them, all right?
Yeah.
And then what we're going to do? We're going to eat them. We're going
We're
to
going to taste them.
Yeah.
Then it's Papa's turn. Yeah.
Papa gets to come taste them. All right, let's get them cold. All right, Momo, we got them cold. Now what we going to do with this?
Melt them in
in the microwave, ain't we? So we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Stir it. 30 seconds. Stir it. And then we'll see where we're at. Give it a little stir. Stir it from the bottom. It's not quite ready, is it?
No.
No. Okay. Let's go 30 seconds more. It's not nowhere near it, y'all.
It melted.
It is melting. Look at there. Let Gigi do it real quick. Let Gigi
do it.
You can do it. Gigi's just gonna get it. See from the bottom like this. All right. We just did 30 seconds twice. So we actually didn't put it in, and look how it looks. Looks good, don't it? We just kept it stirring. I know sometimes if you do it too much, honey, it'll harden up on you, and you just got you a hot mess. Here's what we gonna do. Throw one in, Momo. Go throw it in. We go dunk it. Now, Gigi's gonna show you how to do the first one. Then you can do the next one, okay? Hold on.
I'll do this one.
Watch. I take the fork and go boop, 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 boop. Watch your hand. Move your hand. Move your hand, darling. Watch. Ooh, don't that look good?
Man.
All right, now you go do it. Put it in there. Take the spoon and cover it up. Good job. Roll it around. Good job. Look at you go. Here, move your little hand right here.
Yeah.
It's all right. Go ahead and give it a taste. Now, Gigi's going to pick it up with the fork.
I'm going to taste it.
You go ahead.
Yeah, he did a little taste test.
He's going to taste it. He wants to taste
What you
it.
think?
Did we do a good job?
Is it good?
Look, we're going to do another one. Roll it around. Gigi's spilling that good stuff.
I
Good.
don't roll it.
Yeah, good job. Look at you go. Now Gigi's gonna. Y'all, these are his.
Yeah, he's taking them home. Papa's just going to taste, do his little taste to make sure it's safe, and the rest are going home with him.
That's right. So listen,
These
we
are
ain't.
their candies. They're making them,
That's
and they're
right.
going to their house.
And he can taste it.
That's
can't
right.
they?
They're his candy. So
All right, y'all. We gonna roll all these little balls, and then we
I
gonna
don't do this.
go ahead.
yeah,
put
you
it
go
in there.
ahead, buddy.
And we will be right back. Tell them, say we'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
All right, y'all. We've got these. Mo wanted a few done in some chocolate, but we got this chocolate here. And this is what we gonna do. We're just gonna do one of these little things.
drizzle.
Little drizzle. Isn't that pretty, Momo?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'll do it.
Here, do it. He wants to do it. Just, there you go.
He got his
Look
drizzle
at him
going on.
go. Look at him go. Good job. Here you go. Get some more. Gigi will do this side. Oh, uh-oh. Gigi's just going in thick herself.
I need more.
Do you need more?
Yeah.
Isn't that fun? Y'all, this don't take no time. Y'all see how fast it was we whipped these up. You can do them as pretty as you want to. You can put little candies on top. Ain't that right, baby?
Yeah.
And it's fun, ain't it? It's fun. You can put your little pecan on the top of it, however you want to dress it up. This is done. I was going to put some white one on this one, but this done got, need to melt it again. What time is it?
Tasting time.
Tasting time. All right, y'all. Quick little goodie. Momo did a good job,
He
didn't
did
you,
awesome.
sweet boy?
High five.
Good job.
Good job, baby.
Tell them what time it is.
This tasting time.
It's
Yes,
tasting time.
tasting time. He knows what's up.
Yes.
Well, let's grab one. Which one you want?
Which one you want? That one?
That one? All right, I'm going to get the one right beside it.
All right.
Let's
Cheers.
see what we got. Cheers. Cheers. Good job.
Woo. Tell us,
Oh.
what did you think of it?
Ooh.
What's it taste like?
Mmm.
Is it good? Is it thumbs up?
It's delicious.
Thumbs up.
Man,
Oh, wow. That looks
that
good.
is awesome.
Good.
Peanut butter, crunchy.
Yes. And y'all, you can do any kind of cookie you want with this. Like I said, we did the Oreos.
And it's delicious.
Yeah.
It is delicious. Straight from little Mo here.
Yeah. Man.
Get on me.
I don't know if I'm going to let you take all them home or not. Hey,
Oh.
what is it? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What in the world? Wait a minute. Hey, come back here. Come on, Mo. Let's get
Go
it.
get him. Go get him. I got him.
I got him.
He got him, y'all.
He saved our
He
candy
saved the day.
from the Grinch.
Look at you. You did such a good job. You had to work hard,
That
didn't
made
you,
old
darling?
Grinch try to steal our candy, y'all.
Look at there. Look at there. All right, y'all. Y'all give this, maybe y'all won't have y'all's get away quite like that.
Yeah.
But y'all give this a try, y'all. And y'all let Momo know
Yeah, get in
how
the comments
good
and
he
let him
did.
know how he did.
Yes, he did.
Tell him how good he did. We know he did good.
Yes. And tell him, say, have
Did
a
you
Merry
have fun?
Christmas. Tell him, have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Did you have fun? Yeah? Good.
We enjoyed it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we do hope everybody has just a Merry Christmas. And until next time,
Peace.
Good
Look at
job.
those new shoes you got.
Then blue and yellow and green.
And did they make you, look at Gigi, did they make you run fast? Oh, you're pretty fast. Where'd you get them?
At Walmart.
At the Walmart. I hear you, bud. New shoes. Gigi needs to get her.
I can't say nothing else.
Why not?
I feel like it.
You don't feel like it?
I feel like it.
Oh, you feel like it. Okay. You think if Gigi got her some new shoes, she can run faster? You think? Or you think Gigi's old? Is Gigi old? No. Oh, bless your heart. You're so sweet. Gigi might have to get her some shoes so I can run with you, huh?
Make me faster.
Make you faster. That's right.
I can't run fast.
You can run real fast. Gigi saw you run.
I can't run in boats.
Yeah?
Can't run in that.
Okay.
Can't.
Well, you ready to check on them balls and see if they cold so we can dip them in chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know feel them.
You want to feel them, see if they're cold? Okay.